Hi students, today I continue the lesson heat and temperature. The next important topic is digital thermometer. See, this is digital thermometer. Here is a lot of concern over the use of mercury in thermometers. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose of if a thermometer breaks. So these days digital thermometers are available which do not use mercury. Instead it has a sensor which can measure the heat coming out from the body directly, and from that can measure the temperature of the body. So this is what digital thermometer. Okay. Next, scales of thermometer. There are three types of scales of thermometer: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. Understand? Now I explain what is the relation between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin scale. Look at the picture. Temperature in Celsius scale can be easily converted into Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale as discussed ahead. See, this is Fahrenheit, this is Celsius, this is Kelvin. Okay. See, this is 32 degree Fahrenheit to upper point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The lower point 0 to 100 degree, that is Celsius. And in Kelvin scale, 273 Kelvin to 373.15 Kelvin. So this is the measuring units of what? Freezing point and boiling point of different scales. Okay. The relation between the Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale is as under. See, F means Fahrenheit. F minus 32 divided by 9 equal to C by 5. Next, K, Kelvin is equal to 273.15 plus Celsius. So this is the relation between Fahrenheit, Celsius, and under Kelvin scale. This is under. Okay. The equivalence between principal temperature scales are given in the table for some temperature. Boiling point of water in Celsius scale 100, in Fahrenheit scale 212, in Kelvin scale add 100 to 373.15 Kelvin. Freezing point Celsius scale 0, Fahrenheit scale 32, Kelvin scale 273.15. Mean temperature of human body in Celsius scale 37 degrees centigrade, in Fahrenheit 98.6, in Kelvin 310.15. Room temperature, average Celsius scale 72 degrees Celsius centigrade, Fahrenheit 23, in Kelvin 296.15. Okay. See, heat and temperature, key contributors, the scientist Kelvin, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Rankine. This is about Kelvin, different scales. Understand? SI unit of temperature is what? Kelvin. See, the numerical problems. Solved examples. How much will the temperature of 68 degree Fahrenheit be in Celsius and Kelvin? Temperature in Fahrenheit 68 degree Fahrenheit. Temperature in Celsius, find out. Temperature of Kelvin, find out. The relation between temperature Fahrenheit and Celsius is F minus 32 by 9 equal to C by 5. Fahrenheit 68 minus 32 by 9, that's equal to C by 5. Okay. Next is C is equal to what? 5 into 36 by 9, that is equal to what? 9 1 ja 9, 4 ja 4 5 ja 20 degrees centigrade. Understand? 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 5 4 ja 20 degrees centigrade. In Kelvin, C plus 273, that means 20 plus 273, that is 393.15 Kelvin. Understand? The next is at what temperature will its value be same in Celsius and in Fahrenheit? The given temperature in Celsius is C, then the temperature in Fahrenheit F will be same. F is equal to C. F minus 32 by 9 equal to C by 5. So that's equal to C minus 32 divided by 9 equal to C by 5. That's will be same. So cross multiply 5 into C minus 32 into 5, that's equal to C into 9. Cross multiplication. Multiply into 5, 5 into C, 5C minus 5 into 32, 160, that's equal to 9 into C, 9C. 9C minus 5C, 4C, 1 minus 160. C is equal to, that's equal to F minus 40. The temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit will be same at minus 40. Okay. Same as it is, convert the given temperature, centigrade to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to centigrade, the centigrade to Kelvin, Kelvin to centigrade, centigrade to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to centigrade, using the relation to convert it. Okay. Understand? Okay, thank you.